Naija people don bring ogbonge Bishop news story. My name na Nehi. Make a sharply yarn on some tori wey be say it just happened. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu don come dey tell all the civil servants dem wey be say they don travel go abroad to relocate go dey stay for there. So and they still dey collect salary from Nigerian government. As in content, they say make they return all the money. President Bola Ahmed Tinubu come order all the supervisors and also departmental heads dem say make dem make sure say they go find them out and also to punish people that wey be say they join body for this fraud wey dey happen for inside Nigeria. The FCTA Calabar police don come catch the armed robber suspect that wey be say they go attack the Sunshine Home for inside Abuja as they come by one brigadier general wey be Brigadier General Uwem Udokwere on Saturday wey be June 22nd, 2024 as they come out to come dey yarn as they take by the brigadier general when the boss enter inside him house.
So, okay, when you enter the house, did the general with the gun or?
They met him with the gun, but he did not load. He did not put a magazine.
Okay, no
because the gun, but he has not fixed the magazine.
Plenty Nigerians don come dey complain dey murmur as the Abuja ShopRite wey dey for inside Novara Wuse Central Mall Abuja don come announce say they wan close down say because of the current business hardship wey dey happen for inside Nigeria. The security force wey dey for inside Katsina State don come catch one woman wey her name be Aisha Abubakar say because she dey always dey carry ammunition dem like bullets and guns dem dey go dey deliver dey give Omila terrorists dem wey dey worry dat northern state dem. The Minister of Aviation and Aerospace wey im name be Festus Keyamo don come out to come talk say im don receive plenty report and complain how airport staff dem dey take dey beg money and also dey forcefully dey collect money from people wey say dem dey travel dey enter inside Nigeria or dey travel comot for Nigeria for inside the international airport dem. As e come talk say dis kind thing dey spoil the image of Nigeria wey make am come beat im hand for chest say im dey work on solution to make sure all these things dem go stop as soon as possible. The South African film director wey be Nkosi Nati don shocktalize as im come out to come yarn say im heart dey very very broken like this So after we be saying wife will born new baby, now so he can't tell the wife say make they go do DNA test. As they can't go do the DNA test, can't find out say not be him be the biological papa of the newborn baby when his wife born. David Adeleke aka Davido don come throw surprise bridal shower party for his wife will be Chioma Roland on Sunday June 23rd, 2024. As two of them don come dey ready to enjoy themselves as their marriage go happen on Tuesday will be June 25th, 2024. Former governor of Kaduna State wey im name be Nasir El-Rufai don go visit the former president of Nigeria wey be President Muhammadu Buhari for inside im hometown wey dey for Daura, Katsina State as im come kneel down take dey greet President Muhammadu Buhari on Sunday, June 23rd, 2024. The Lagos State Calabar police tok person wey be Benjamin Hunde don come reply actress Laide Bakare after wey be say she post one video where a Calabar police people dey harass am as the Lagos State police tok person don come out come talk say actress Laide Bakare go dey drive dey follow BRT lane say na im make police come arrest her come carry her take go Lamata office as she come pay 70,000 naira take put for Lagos State government account. Also she come carry the receipt and also with her car take comot for inside Lamata office and no Calabar police touch her or wunjure her at all. Ogbonge heavy flood don come carry two people dem for inside that Trademore Estate area for dey for Abuja on Monday, June 24 to 2024 and after wey heavy rain don fall for inside Abuja wey cause plenty houses wey dey for Abuja come carry water.
FCT minister, come and do something. Trademore Estate. Please, we are appealing. Trademore Estate.
This is crazy.
See, the police station is gone.
Crazy. This is crazy.
See, these are people residents.
About 50 House of Representative members from different geopolitical zones wey dey for inside Nigeria don come dey beg President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say make him invoke Section 174 of the Constitution of Nigeria 1999 and also Section 107, Paragraph 1 of the Administration of Criminal Justice Act of 2015 say make him use am to release the indigenous people of Biafran leader wey be Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. The organized labor don come dey tell President Bola Ahmed Tinubu say make him consider to inform them, and also they must agree with the leadership of the labor before him go submit the proposed bill of the new minimum wage take give National Assembly. They don catch some people that wey be say they just open one fake factory where they produce some fake energy drinks them, as they come dey show on top this video as they say they pack the drinks them for inside different packs them.
Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy una day. Yes, na Bishop News O'Clock. My name na Nehi. Make una enjoy una day.